We all have heard stories of ruthlessness of North Korean dictator Kim Jong-un. But on Monday, the same Kim Jong-un, the ruthless dictator, was seen teary-eyed, emotional and choking up in front of a large crowd of North Korean citizens and military personnel. Watching their leader cry, the people in the crowd also could not resist and tears rolled down their faces. Kim Jong-un was speaking at a huge military parade held at the weekend to mark 75th anniversary of the ruling Workers' Party. Kim removed his glasses and wiped away his tears. He issued a rare apology for his failure to guide the country through the tumultuous times alleviated by the coronavirus outbreak. Citing his grandfather and father, North Korea's previous two leaders, Kim continued, saying, "Although I am entrusted with the important responsibility to lead this country upholding the causes of the great comrades Kim Il-sung and Kim Jong-il, thanks to the trust of the people, my efforts and sincerity have not been sufficient enough to rid our people of the difficulties in their lives." He also claimed that while the world is fighting a grave pandemic, North Korea has not recorded even a single case. But the country at present is faced with many problems. The country has seen trade with China, which is its biggest economic partner, fall dramatically due to the closure of borders in response to the coronavirus pandemic. Years of international sanctions in response to Kim's nuclear and missile programs, plus the damage inflicted by natural disasters, have only added to his difficulties. Despite the presence of troops, missiles, tanks and other evidence of North Korea's growing military might, Kim offered support to people around the world suffering as a result of COVID-19 and voiced hope for an improvement in ties with South Korea. However, what caught the eye was the ballistic missile weapon displayed at this celebration to highlight the country's growing military hardware capabilities. The missile could allow him to pack multiple atomic weapons in a single rocket and increase his chances of striking the US city with thermonuclear device. The size and likely engine configuration of the missile would allow it to carry several thousand pounds of payload anywhere in the US, according to the weapons experts. In a speech before the parade, the North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, however, said that country's military forces were meant as a deterrent and they were not aimed at anyone specific, but the military hardware display has alarmed the US.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.